welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show two completed paintings I finished recently for the month of June. So if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So originally I had stated, which is true, I want to complete 5 paintings for the month of June. July. Why am I saying June? Month of July. I'm still living in the past. In the month of June, I finished 4. So I planned to, okay, let me do one more. Let me try to finish 5 in July. And luckily, I finished 2 of them already. So they're smaller paintings. They're none of my really, really large ones. But I'm still proud to say I finished 2 paintings. Whether they're small or big, if you complete a painting, it's still something to be proud of. So I'm happy about my little paintings. So as you all know, I love 20 by 20s. That's like my #1 painting. I don't know, I think it's because they're small and quick and they're just a fast completion, so they're kind of fun. But this one is a little older. It did take me a couple months because I started it, packed it up because I had to move. I unpacked it, lost where I put it, and then found it again. And I thought, ooh, I really want to complete it because it's really pretty once I actually started working it up again. So I decided to complete it a couple days ago. It's this one. It's a nice little landscape of mountains with silhouette, I believe, are pine trees, and then the wonderful little sky. When I first started it, it was a whole bunch of black at the bottom, so I was a little worried that, ooh, I might not be able to see it too well. No, I need a light pad for this, which surprised me because since they're darker tones, I think I might have needed it. But since the printing on the darker colors was real bright, I had no problems with it. I didn't need to use a light pad. So all of this I was able to complete. When it started building up and I started getting to the sky, I noticed, ooh, I was running out of a color. I was running out of color 3770, I believe, which is this, it's kind of off-white. It's a little peachy color. As you can see, some of the clouds, it's the really pale sky, but you see some of the contrasting lighter color. It's kind of giving it kind of like a little cloud effect, as you can kind of see it. I didn't know it was going to do that till I actually looked at the little image and I noticed, oh yeah, there's this little effect on the sky, which surprised me when I actually started seeing it appear when I was putting the diamonds. I was really impressed by that. Even on camera, and when I took a picture of it, it looks really nice, really clear. In person, it also looks really nice and really clear. I was really worried I was going to look really muddled because it's a smaller size, but no, it actually looks really nice. I'm actually going to put this on my wall because I really loved how it looked. And to me, it makes me think, I think it's because of the blue tones, and there are little spots that it's supposed to be the snow. I believe I might start putting it around when the weather starts getting a little cooler, just to have it on my wall, because I really love this little image. And I love landscapes, as I've stated before, but I love that it was my 20 by 20 that I fell in love with this little landscape image. I believe this image I might have it bigger as well, but I'm not too sure because I need to double check my portfolio. But yeah, this is my first July. Oh, I gotta stop saying June. July completion. Oh my goodness, I love this little painting. And for the second one I did, actually I'm working on a third, and I thought maybe I might have been able to finish it in time for this video, but no, it's probably gonna take me a couple more days. But my second one, I am so happy to announce that I finished my kitchen. So I actually started this one. I started at the end of June, but I slowly been working on it because I only worked on this one in my living room. Near the end of the day, I would just go to the living room, turn on the TV, and be painting the painting. And my husband, will hang out or talk or watch TV or cook, because sometimes we're making dinner. And that's where I got the idea of, oh, I have a kitchen painting. And I remember this one. This is from Temu. Both of my paintings are from Temu. I actually did an unboxing from this one a couple weeks ago. And I thought, oh my goodness, I should make a kitchen one. So I found this one. And I love 2 things I love. Okay, that's a lie. 3 things I love about this image. It's this little barrel or bowl or container, I'm not too sure what to call it, Okay, scratch that. 4 things I love about this painting. I love this. It has little vegetables in it. I can see a carrot, I believe, kind of like a little radish around here. I believe I might have seen it. I love that the shape was coming out when I was working on it. I love the sunflower because me and flowers, I can't get away from them. Not even from the kitchen. I loved when the sunflower was popping out. I'm a big fan of this. I love the checkerboard pattern on the little towel here, as you can see here at the bottom. Oh my goodness, I love when this pattern came out. Finally, I love the chicken. I totally forgot there's a little chicken in this painting. And I don't know why, whenever I see more home style, more vintage looking kitchen patterns or paintings, there's always a chicken. I have no idea why. I don't know if it's something to do with it. But I'm a big fan of it, so I was so happy that there was a chicken in this painting. Totally forgot about the chicken. Actually, when I actually start by rows, and I always start on the lower right. So once it was already building up to here, and I was moving to the next row, I actually had I actually had the poor chicken for a while without a head because I actually completed this section. So I figured, oh yeah, it's a chicken. So when I completed it, I saw, oh, it is a chicken after all. I just love chickens. And I love how all of it blended really well because there's little pots and pans in the back, a little kind of hand towel here, and I believe little checkerboard's a hand towel here. I love all the little vegetables. You can actually see them. On camera, you can actually see it a little clearly, as you can see. Some of the details on the vegetables, on the chicken, on the sunflower, on all of that in person as well. It's really clear. So I am going to put, I decided when I was first starting it, this is going to go on my kitchen wall. Because I have diamond paintings kind of already been putting them up in my apartment. I don't have one for the kitchen. So I knew once this was done, boom, it's going on the kitchen. I should frame it, but it's such an odd size. It's a 20 by 30, I believe. Let me double check real quick. I can see through the paper. Yeah, it's a 20 by 30. So that'd be kind of an odd frame that I can find. So I haven't really found one in this size, but it'll be fine. I'll probably put it not too near close to, well, first of all, the oven. And second of all, the sink. So it doesn't get any damage. So I'll put it in one of the little corner walls. You can still see it when you're in the kitchen, but I'm so excited to hang this painting up. So that's all I wanted to show today. Oh, apologies. Let me get the other painting real quick. And I'm just so excited. It's my little paintings that I was able to complete. And as I said, once I finish my 3rd painting, I'll make sure to put a video as well. And at the end of the month, did I say June again? I'm sorry, July. Oh, sorry about that. At the end of the month, I am going to do a compilation video of all 5. Yes, I am going to finish 5. I know I'm going to finish 5. That sounds a little aggressive. I know I'm going to finish 5. And I'm going to be able to, I'm going to do the compilation. So you'll see these paintings again, just in case, you know, if you remember, oh yeah, she had a kitchen one. You'll see it again at the end of the month. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. And as I said, I'll make sure to do a separate video. Oh, there's one other thing I wanted to ask. If anyone in the comments, I'm sorry, if anyone can leave in the comments, I have a problem with some of the washi tape I purchased that, as you see at the ends, they're not staying, it doesn't stay down. If y'all have either a suggestion that might help kind of keep helping them kind of stay down, or a recommendation of a different kind of washi tape that, you know, oh, don't worry, that one always going to be staying down. I picked blue on this one just so that, with stars, just so it can go with the style. And I really like the stars, but the only issue I'm having is that it keeps lifting up. As you can see, this one already lifted up again. The red one, though, I got fortunate that I haven't had any issues with it, but I kind of don't remember the brand. I actually found this one, and I saw, ooh, I need red for the kitchen, so luckily this one's fine, but I'm having issues with this one. So if anyone want to leave a comment down below, I'd really appreciate it. Any kind of washi tape suggestions, or just kind of any advice, just to kind of help. Because I kind of don't want to put tape stuck on the edges, just because I don't know, I kind of don't want to ruin the little kind of image that the tape is putting. So I really do appreciate that. And yeah, so if you're returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is we can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps the channel to go out there in the algorithm, and it really allows me the opportunity to show, everyone my completed paintings as well. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.